let's talk about some rideshare trends and earnings.
Yes,
Bum, bum, bum.
let's do that. So I have Solo, and look, a lot of people. Look, I'm gonna be straight with you all. Third-party apps is not my favorite thing. Okay, but if you're there are a couple of things that I like as a veteran. Obviously, dash cam, you got to have a dash cam. But as a third-party app, Octopus, I think, is a no-brainer for me. Okay, no-brainer. I mean, it's free freaking money. You just paying the tablet back there, and you get $50 a month. If you drive a lot, maybe $100 a month. Done. But Solo, out of all the third-party apps, okay, including Upside, Chris, I think is probably the best app that you can get out there. We should have Bryce on again. Bryce Bennett, the CEO of Solo. And it has so many good things in it. It's like all in one, seriously, from your taxes to your deductions to your expenses to how you're doing in your own city. Okay. I really like Solo quite a bit, and the
Well,
link is in the show
one of
notes.
the things, though, when it comes to this, is it's your own business, correct? Or it's
Yes.
touted as your own business.
Yeah.
So if you own your own business, you have to have different things that will help you, whether it's like QuickBooks or software or a CRM, customer relations management tool. All of these different tools you have to have on your business. So having something that's going to help you manage your business is necessary when it comes to running a business. Having something like Solo, which is kind of your all-in-one management tool when it comes to being a rideshare driver, is just that. You're getting your as you had mentioned, tax, expenses, your management of your earnings. Hell, they even have a earnings guarantee. So there's a lot to it. And then, not only that, the wealth of information that you can get as a rideshare driver is going to help you earn more money and have one step up over those who may not have that.
Well, then don't listen to us. Here's one of your audience members. Just Digital Simulations. I agree, 100%. And the other thing that it will do for you, Chris, is that, look, man, not everybody is good at what they do, or they complain that they're not earning enough and this and that. This should give you enough incentive to look at your city's average and say, well, why am I earning less? Start thinking, start strategizing, maybe change the game plan a little bit. So, because if you're going to be out there for 40 hours a week, 50 hours a week, and if you just improve your earnings, $2 an hour, two single dollars, that's $100 a week, $400 a month. That's $5,000 a year, man. So Solo will give you all the tools to improve yourself. You're doing the work. Might as well make more money. You know what I mean? So, yeah.
Well, one of the things too that I like about this is this earning trend.
Yeah.
And it says right there under the Solo Market Pulse part, it says, in the evolving landscape of the gig economy, October 24 brought notable shifts and insights into rideshare and food delivery earnings across the U.S. For gig workers relying on platforms like Uber, Lyft, Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. Understanding earnings vary month over month across states, and even day of the week can be key. So all of that information is just good to have, so you can plan and position yourself properly in order to get out there and make more money. And then on top of that, they're also showing you, some of the states that have the highest earnings. And, I honestly, I wonder though, if some people do not actually want to download something like this because they don't want to see how bad they're doing compared to others, or they just want to live in this la la land that, hey,
No,
I go
man.
out there, I make X amount of dollars, and they don't actually see the true costs that it is associated when running that business as well, meaning, your car expenses, your maintenance, all of that stuff on top of it.
Yeah. The other thing is, it's not a surprise Washington State is there, right?
Oh, of course not.
And guess what's going to be next one? Minnesota is going to be there now. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
And look, I like it. Okay. Look, what do you want me to say? It's a good app. It's the best third-party app that I know of that can help a driver. We had a bunch here. Okay. So out of all of them, if I can whittle it down to one app, and the other thing is like, to me, it's a necessity these days. Really, you gotta run this shit like a business, okay? And then it gives you all these stats, right? Month to month decreases, month to month increases. You have so much information at your fingertips. You should be able to make at least a few bucks an hour more in your own city, because you're looking at other drivers. How are they doing it? How you can adjust your game. This is all about adjusting the game. We're playing a simulation here. Don't look at it as work. Honestly, we're all part of a simulation. You need to change stuff if it's not working. Definition of insanity is do the same shit, expect different results, and then complain to Serge with an email. I'm like, no, that's not gonna work. So
You want to know though something that's interesting? What is Massachusetts minimum wage?
32 and a half.
Yep. Why is it not in there?
That's active. That's because it's active.
I know. That's the whole thing. That shows you it's active hour. So yeah, that's a little thing.
These are not active. These are online hours, by the way.
Yep.
Solo doesn't put active hours. Solo doesn't look at the hocus pocus active hour bullshit. So
yeah. So if you want to know what you're really making per hour, that helps as well too.
Yeah, online hour, bro.
I like some of these things though. It shows you like I want to know what's going on in Vermont, man. They saw the largest increase in rideshare earnings with 11% jump, moving from 21.84 in September to 24.25 per hour in October. That's a hell of a jump. I mean, West Virginia kind of did the same too. They had strong gain of 10% and almost 10% in Louisiana.
I'm shocked California's in there.
Slight increase. Just a slight increase, 0.79. But look at that. New York is seeing a 0.13% decrease. What the hell?
Well, that's because, look, a lot of places who have these propositions, Prop 22 likes, lights, whatever you want to call it, clones, their numbers are not going to move up and down that much. They're going to be pretty stable because they're all algos just pinning everything right at that level right there. So yeah.
I just want to know what's going on in those couple of states that it jumped, almost 10% or a little bit over.
Seasonal, maybe.
If you're in one of those states, hey, good job.
Yep. Yep. But by far, Washington State is the best place to drive, period.
Oh yeah, for sure. And they're like, hey, we don't want to be the best. We want other people to go out there and add to the corrugation of everything. And then they'll probably take a couple of the ideas. But right now, it seems like Washington's the only one who are leading the charge when it comes to better all around and in the right way. Not this top off crap, but actual per trip, per time, per mile.
Well, I don't know about that top off, bro. I'm working on a huge story on that top off. Seriously, just on me, on my own. I'm going to figure out like how much they paid me on Prop 22 every 2 weeks. Okay. And then just figure out at 4.5% interest rate, how much they collected on me, and then multiply that times 1 million gig workers in California. It's a lot of money, bro. It's a lot. So
yeah, for sure.
Yep.
All right. So make sure you download that app. Link is in the description. Go check it out. And help it manage your business. Best thing is the information. I mean, information is key when it comes to a lot of things.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.